Hello everyone, we are now at our last example, number 5 sa ating Quotient Rule of Differentiation. We have to solve for the derivative with respect to x of y is equal to the square root of x minus the cube root of x all over the square root of x minus 4. And yes, totoo po ang given natin, marami tayong radicals na involved. Pero huwag kayong masindak, we only need to transform it to its exponential form. Doing that, this is x raised to 1 over 2 at ang cube root of x naman natin ay x raised to 1 over 3. Here. After that, pwede na nating i-apply yung concept natin ng quotient rule of differentiation. We have to let u be our numerator and we let v be our denominator. After doing that, quotient rule, we get our denominator low times derivative of our high minus high times derivative of our low. And this is equal all over the square of our denominator. Next, as we continue with our solution, kailangan natin kunin ang derivative nito muna. Applying the basic rules of differentiation, first power rule, ang gagawin natin, ibababa natin si 1/2. Ito yung magiging itsura niya. Tapos, babawasan natin siya ng isa. So, 1/2 minus 1, that is negative 1/2. Same goes dito. 1/3 negative, so this is negative 1/3. X raised to 1/3 minus 1, this is negative 2 over 3. Kasi 1 over 3 minus 3 over 3, that is negative 2 over 3. For this part, baba lang natin siya. So, 1/2. And then, 1/2 minus 1, this is negative 1/2. And then, for negative 4, derivative of a constant is 0. Kaya, siya ay 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2 na lang. Tapos na tayo sa ating derivatives. We only have to multiply. Okay. Medyo komplikado siya kasi we have to multiply na ang exponents natin ay fractions. Pero, let us do it again. As I always say, step by step para mas magets natin. For the first part, constant 1/2. Kaya ito ay 1/2 lang. Tapos, for the exponent, same base, we add the exponents. So, this is 1/2 plus negative 1/2, that is equal to 0. Sundan. Next, we have, for this part, we have negative 1 over 3, and then 1/2 x raised to 1/2 times x raised to negative 2 over 3. Their LCD is 6. This will become 3 over 6. This will become 4 over 6. 3 over 6 plus negative 4 over 6, that is negative 1 over 6. And then, here, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 divided by 2, kaya siya naging negative 2. Tapos, wala naman siyang variable, so we will just place x raised to negative 1/2. Same goes here. Negative times negative, that is positive 4 over 3, and then we copy x raised to negative 2 over 3. Now, let us proceed here. Same, this is 1/2, and then 1/2 plus negative 1/2, that is equal to 0, and then this is negative 1/2, 1 over 3, and negative 1/2, their LCD is 6, this will become 2 over 6, this will become negative 3 over 6. 2 over 6 plus negative 3 over 6, this is equal to negative 1 over 6. Let us continue with our solution. Simplification na lang tayo. This part, x raised to 0, this will become 1. Same goes here. Any number raised to 0 is this equal to 1. Kaya matitira dito ay 1/2. For this part, since this is negative sign, subtraction for this term, papalitan natin yung signs nung nasa loob. This will become negative, this will become positive. Ito ang magiging itsura niya kasi naging negative 1/2 and then this becomes positive 1/2 x raised to negative 1/6. Yung mga x raised to 0 natin, naging 1 na sila. Now, pag samasamahin natin yung mga terms na pare-pareho ang variable, uy, may magandang nangyari, si 1/2 at si negative 1/2. So, 1/2 minus 1/2, that is equal to 0. Mawawala na tong part na to. And then, we have x raised to negative 1/6. Meron tayong dalawa. Ito, tsaka ito. Negative 1/3 and positive 1/2 LCD is 6. This becomes negative 2/3. This becomes positive 3/6. 3/6 plus negative 2/3, that is positive 1/6. Then we copy x raised to negative 1/6. Wala na ba tayong magkapareho? Wala na. So we have negative 2x raised to negative 1/2, and then we have 4/3 x raised to negative 2/3, and this is our final answer. That's it for our solved problems from simple to complex of quotient rule of differentiation. See you again.